Hi everyone, and welcome to this Fantasy Art Friday video. In this video, I'm drawing a smoke tiger. I wanted this drawing to be a bit more abstract, layering ribbons of smoke to create the patterns of the tiger's face. I decided to use graphite, using my mechanical pencil with HB leads, also blending with blending sticks, and adding highlights and details with a small eraser. I also wanted to add some bright orange and yellow colouring to contrast the dark shading, and I added this colouring with watercolour and Prismacolor pencils. I then also added brighter highlights with a white GellyRoll pen. It was so fun to approach this drawing without too much planning. I just jumped straight into it and added and changed details as I went, and I really enjoyed the process. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. The process of working on this drawing was so much fun. Be sure to let me know what you think of this in the comments below, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. If you want to see more stuff like this, then feel free to subscribe, and any likes or shares on this video, they really mean a lot to me. If you want to follow my progress and see photos before I post these videos, then please check out the links in the description box below to check out my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.